Today was a rough day at the office, let me tell you that. I didn't trade well at all. I didn't. Yet I still made money. And that's the beauty of knowing when to trade, when to go in with full size, when to get out of your trades, and when to just take profits. Guys, trading is really, in my opinion at least, the best thing since sliced bread when it comes to making money. So let's get right into it. What you see here is a full trading day. Okay, I traded pretty much from about 9:30 a.m. New York time. This is Dubai time right now, so it's 5:20 p.m. to about, my last trade was at 6:25. So it's about an hour. Now, to be fair, I tried to record this video right here twice already, actually 3 times. The first 2 times, because I'm recording this with my phone, some people called me. Video got ended. I was like, okay, I need to re-record it. All right. Happened another time. And then the third time, I forgot to turn on the microphone. So this is my 4th time recording. I was already done with all my work when I finished this video here. I actually recorded this for the 3rd time, like I said, right here. And I caught another very small trade in the end. But today in this video, I want to talk to you about how you can make money even though you have an awful day at the office when it comes to trading. All right, so let's get right into it. When I entered the market and when I opened my laptop and when I wanted to make some money trading today, I saw the following. I saw, and this is my drawings from my previous videos, we'll get to that in just a second. I saw pretty much this right here, okay? Actually, I saw it like this, roughly, okay? This right here was my very first trade. Break-even trade, not really that exciting. I want to explain to you a trade that was way more exciting, because this trade right here, guys, I'm not going to go into all the details. However, just so you know, I got in pre-market for a quick scalp. Once I saw the market going to my direction, moved my stop loss to break even. We came back. That was a break-even trade. I do not want to be stuck in the trade when the market opens up, when the ring bells. I don't want to do that because the market can do anything when the ring bells. So I wanted to be out of my position. So that was a quick break-even trade. However, the market sold off aggressively. I could have seen that coming based upon the current day's volume profile at that moment. So what did I see? Obviously, if this is a volume profile, and the volume profile just basically tells you up until this time, which is 7 a.m. New York time, we accepted these higher prices. Then we broke through this low, and we now start to accept these lower prices down here. So what does it mean? It means we have a clear advantage going short. All right. Now the market opened up and we sold off quite aggressively. All right. And I actually tried to catch a reversal trade right when the market opened. Okay. So 9:30, I tried to catch a reversal trade. However, it didn't go as planned. So I was wrong. So what happened? Basically, I saw that the market went down fast, very, very aggressively. And on the right-hand side, this is the NASDAQ. On the left-hand side here, this is the ES. All right, guys? So these 2 markets are correlating with each other. That means if the left market goes up, the right market should also go up. If it goes down, the other one should also go down. Okay, and I'm trading based upon what the ES is mostly telling me. So the ES, the left-hand side market, is the leading market. And if I see something specific there, and I also see the same thing in the NASDAQ, that's when I want to get active. So what did I see? Right here at that moment, 9:35, 5 minutes after the open. You can see it with the white line, okay, where I'm scrolling. You can see this on the left-hand side here. We went down aggressively with what I call pretty bad auction quality. That means we had a rush down. There wasn't any buying and selling going on. It was just pure selling, which is a very bad auction quality. It's what you call it. We went straight to a level of liquidity. We did the same when it comes to the NASDAQ. However, the market didn't want to stop there. It wanted to go down even further. So I lost this trade. Happens. All right. And then I thought, wait, what's going on right now? How's the market actually developing? So right here, I saw that we are accumulating, and that is a pretty bearish signal in this scenario. That means the market is now accepting these lower prices. We are accumulating volume, as you can see here, and volume tells you, hey, lower prices are being accepted. So where's my edge? My edge is obviously going short. So what did I do? Right here, I went short. Why? Because here on the left-hand side was this exact moment. And I knew we had room up until at least this level of liquidity right here. All right. So when we got there, you can see, surprise, surprise, that was exactly my take profit level on the right-hand side, right here. Okay, exactly where we went to this level of liquidity. So I was now this was a smaller trade than this one, so I was about like 20 ticks in the green. And then something happened. The market went down, we came back up, and I thought this is a perfect opportunity right now for me to actually start and go with a reversal trade. Because why? Going back to this overall structure. Let's see what is happening when the market opens up. What is happening? The market is going down. It's going down aggressively. And now it's shooting back up. But let's take a look at the volume profile. What does this volume profile tell us? Well, basically that we are accepting these lower prices. However, we have these high volume nodes here, and we have these low volume nodes here. That means for this structure right here, this price level right here is unaccepted, meaning prices here are not accepted. So when the market comes back from this low, does a quick pullback into this area of low volume, that's where I'm looking for an entry. Okay, that was my entire goal with this trade. Now I did that. So we had a quick push up in the ES. We had the same, as you can see here, and the Nasdaq. We went to this level of liquidity in the Nasdaq to this one right here in the ES. And I thought that looks pretty good to me. So let me go in. So I went in, and look what happened. We rushed all the way up here, and I got stopped out once more. So I was now in the red. I was like, okay. However, the idea is still valid, right? Because the market is still going up. And look at this. Guys, just look at this. We go all this way right here. Exact same idea. Even worse auction quality. Where are we going? To another level of previous liquidity. Amazing. So it's the exact same idea. It's basically just a re-entry with even better order flow. Order flow is just what I'm seeing right here inside these charts, basically. And once I saw that is an A+ setup. I went in with full position size, which is 2 contracts per account. And then, the market just absolutely rushed down. I went in at about 9:51. And I got out at about 9:51 and 44 seconds. So less than 1 minute. And this trade was already done. Guys, picture perfect trade. And by then, I was in the green by a lot. Meaning I didn't really have a very good day. Had another small loss here, another quick profit right here. And then I was done trading for that day. So even though I had an awful day at the office when it comes to trading, I still made a lot of money. And that's the beauty of trading. Once you know how to make money, even when you're wrong, you're golden. So if you are an entrepreneur, that's who I'm talking to here on this channel. If you are an entrepreneur and you have a business right now and that business is going well, I want you to click on the button below because I want to teach you how to do the exact same. How to take 15 to 30 minutes out of your day and start trading. Now, the cool thing with this is once you know how to trade, you will be able to leave all the money that you make in your business. You'll be able to leave it in your business because you and your business, you're 2 separate entities, right? Your business is there. This is your business right here. Your business is there to build wealth, right? Now, the problem is every single time you take a salary out of your business or you take profits out of your business, it slows down the growth. You cannot hire more employees. You cannot hire a CEO that replaces you in your company because you need that money to live, right? So I understand. It's not like everyone just takes out as much money as possible because it wants to, but sometimes because you need to live off of something and you want to have a nice life. You want to go on nice vacations. I understand because you work for that, right? However, once you start trading next to your business, 15 to 30 minutes every single day, you become a trader. You can get rich trading while becoming wealthy with your business. That means every single dollar that you make trading, and I have lots of videos about that here on my channel, you can make thousands, no income claims, no guarantees whatsoever, but you can make thousands of dollars every single day trading and pure profit, not revenue, profit. There's people making millions of dollars on Wall Street every single year. So it's absurd for you to not to believe that you can make thousands of dollars every single day. Just check out my YouTube channel. I make so many videos here nowadays. I just started about a month and a half ago, roughly. And you see me trading over and over and over again. Same strategy, same edge. I do the same thing over and over again. I'm a one-trick pony because it works, because I make money with this one trick. And the cool thing is, if I make 1K per day, if I make 2K per day, it doesn't matter how much it is. I can take this money, and this money right here can fund my lifestyle. And everything I do inside my business stays inside this business. I don't need to take this money out. I don't need to pay taxes on that money. And I can reinvest everything that I do there. That's the beauty. I get rich trading while I'm getting wealthy building my business. It's the perfect combination. So if you want to learn how this works, how you can find an edge, how you can actually trade with logic, by understanding what's going on in the markets, by reading what's going on inside these candles using this right here, the order flow. It looks confusing at first, I know, but once you're able to read it, it's like a book. You just go and see what's going on. Then you will be able to make money. If you want to know how that works, click the link in the description down below. I'm helping 10 entrepreneurs every single month do exactly the same. Take 15 to 30 minutes out of your day, every single day, and trade. Make money trading. Now, the cool thing is, as a trader, no matter what happens in the economy, if the economy goes up or goes down, I don't care because I can make money both ways as a trader. However, with my business, because I'm an entrepreneur myself, obviously, well, the economy kind of matters. So I'm getting nervous when it goes down, right? I have lots of friends who have online shops. And once Donald Trump introduced the tariffs back in the day, a couple months ago, they were all pretty afraid because all of their margins just got eaten up. Very, very dangerous situation. However, if you are able to trade and you know you can make money, you're going to be cool as a cucumber because you don't care what happens out there because you are safe. That's the power of trading, guys. So if that's interesting to you, click the button down below. Apply today. I'm having 10 people every single month. That's it. Limited spots. So if you want one of these spots, click the link down below and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.